Ships on bigger of the waves of skim and barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning. Rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, brave and soar over new frontiers. Swords and sagas of a painted German shields and spears. Vows of favor of the
Tööajaga nad lähevad tagasi.
together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder pound within. The echoes of eternity. To pluck the strings of destiny.
Lähme siit selja taha neile.
Sails are swaying on the crimson rivers, blood and
20 meetrit.
fighting fields. Shields are shattering to splintered timbers, iron and steel.